students, today start the death of a partner. Same as in the case of retirement of a partner. Now, first you clear the theory portions. Death of a partner. On the death of a partner, the amount payable to him is to be paid to his or her legal representative. On the death of a partner, the following points should be taken consider. Or calculation of the total amount to be representative of the deceased partner. These points are very important. First, the amount standing to the credit side of his capital account. Number 2, his share of the increase in the value of goodwill of the firm. This goodwill may be distributed in their gaining ratio. Now next, point number C, interest on capital if provided in the partnership deed. Partnership deed specifically mentioned, then again also charged by the death partner their interest on capital up to the specific time. Next, his share of profit on revaluation of assets and liabilities. Assets and liabilities are given, then his share on profit on revaluation of assets and liabilities, again find out only his share should be credited to his capital account or loss debited. Now next again, his share of undistributed profit or reserve. Any undistributed profit or reserve, it should be also divided by the death of a partner. His share only claim, then show partner's capital account, death partner's capital account, credit side. Their reserve, revenue reserve, profit and loss account, credit balance, etc. Next, last point, his share of profit up to the date of his death. Say after 6 months, then the firms running same types also calculate the profit on average basis. Okay. Now the legal representative, a deceased partner, is entitled to his or her direction. The interest is 6% per annum on the amount due from the date of death to the date of payment or to the portion of profit which is earned by the firm with the amount due to the deceased partner. Now calculation of profit may be divided. In this calculation of profit may be divided on the 2 points, on the basis of time or on the basis of turnover on sales. Okay. Now let us one question in your reference books, page number 5.153, question number 111. Your reference book, page number, this books, page number 5.153, question number 111. Now, Dev, Swati and Shankar were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, on 31st March 2014, their balance sheet was as follows. The balance sheets are given, total assets and liabilities 2,40,000. Now on 30th June 2014, Dev died. According to the partnership deed or agreement, Dev was entitled to interest on capital at the rate of 12% per annum. His share of profit till the date of his death was to be calculated on the basis of average profit on the last 4 years. The profit on the last 4 years are given. Now, what is your duty? First you calculate the total profit. Now workings, then you first calculate the total profit. total profit for 4 years. Okay. Now this is the first year profit, 2,04,000 plus 1,80,000 plus 90,000 and 2013-14 loss. Loss means minus. Now this adding this total amount after adding, that is equal to 4,17,000, the total profit. Okay. Now therefore average profit 4,17,000 divided by 4, that is equal to 1,04,250. This is the average profit. But Dev is dead after 3 months. Just calculate 30th June, April, May, June. 3 months. You calculate the 3 months. Then profit on 3 months. Therefore, profit on 3 months equal to average profit into 3 by 12. Okay? 1,04,250 divided by 4. That is equal to 26,062. This is the profit for 3 months. 3 months profit means this profit including their 3 partners, Dev, Swati and Shankar. But Dev is dead, therefore Dev's share of profit equal to ratio 2 by 5 into this 26,062. 2 by 5. This calculation equal to 1,0425. Okay. Now this is the workings number 1. Next again another workings, you are calculate the calculation of interest on capital. Interest on capital also calculate. Now with the percentage, their share of capital equal to 77,000. What is the percentage? 12%. 12 by 100 into how many months of capital invested? 3 months. 3 by 12. Now this is equal to 2,310. Now these workings are compulsory. Now then you prepare only the Dev's capital account. Okay. Now then you prepare, this is partner's capital account, Dev. 6 marks question in this type. Now then you open Dev's capital account. Now debit, credit, rupees, or left hand side you write particulars. Now first Dev's opening capital, then show by balance BD. What is the amount? 77,000. Now then charge by interest on capital. Now interest on capital, just workings. This is the workings. Workings number 2, interest on capital 2310. You write 2310. Now then profit and loss suspense account, PL suspense account, you write working note 1. Working note 1 already. Find out that share of profit 10,425. 10,425. Okay. Now their drawings are given. On the last on 1/4/2014, they withdrew 15,000 to pay for his medical bill. These are the personal expenses. That means capital account, debit side. Now two drawing. Personal expenses, to drawing account, amount 15,000. Now again old balance sheets, asset sides given, profit and loss account 57,000. Now then this loss, profit and loss account amount 57,000, but his share 2/5. Now this amount 22,800. Okay. Now then you are adding the represent payment to their debts executors account. Debts executors account. Now first adding 89,735. Is adding this size also 89,735. After deducting this, the amount represent 51,935. This is the account open, debts capital account. This amount paid by their debt representatives or representatives, that is at 51,935. Okay, everybody understand? Thank you.